In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify website in 5 minutes. Building an e-commerce website on Shopify is incredibly user-friendly and can be done quickly if you have all the necessary information at hand. To start, let's navigate to the Shopify website. It's as simple as entering the Shopify URL into your browser, which takes you directly to their homepage. Here you will find an inviting login button prominent on the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login section where you will input your credentials. For those of you who are new to Shopify, your journey begins by entering your email address. Make sure it's an email you have easy access to, as Shopify will use this email for all your store communications and password resets. Next up, you will be asked to enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a helpful Forgot Password link to assist you. Once you've successfully logged in, you're directed to the Shopify admin dashboard, commonly referred to as My Store Home at Shopify. Your dashboard is your command center, where you can manage every aspect of your Shopify store. From here, one of the most exciting parts of setting up your Shopify store begins: choosing a theme. Shopify offers a wide range of themes, both free and paid, catering to different industries and design preferences. To choose a theme, go to the Themes section from your Shopify admin. Take your time browsing through the options. When you find a theme that resonates with your brand aesthetic, you can see it in action by clicking on Try Theme. This doesn't immediately apply the theme to your store. It allows you to preview how your store might look. Found the perfect theme? Great. The next step is customization. Click on Customize in the Themes options. This takes you to the Theme Editor, a powerful tool where you can add, remove, and tweak elements of your store's design. You can adjust everything from font sizes to color schemes, ensuring your website aligns with your brand identity. In the customization pane, there's an essential section called Theme Settings. Here you have even more granular control over your store's design elements, including typography, social media links, checkout settings, and more. It's crucial to explore these settings thoroughly to make the most out of your theme's design capabilities. Once you're happy with your store's look, it's time to move on to adding products. Navigate to the Products section in your Shopify admin. Here you'll see an Add Product button, which is pretty self-explanatory. Clicking this opens up a new product page where you can enter all the relevant details about the products you're selling. Make sure to fill in as much information as possible, including high-quality product images, as this can significantly influence your customers' buying decisions. Now let's talk about getting paid, which after all is a huge part of why you're setting up a shop. Navigate to the Settings section at the bottom left of your Shopify admin and select Payments. Shopify supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrencies through third-party providers. Set up the ones you prefer, and make sure to review all transaction fees associated, so there are no surprises. After setting up payments, another critical aspect to configure is your shipping and delivery settings. Still in the Settings menu, find the Shipping and Delivery section. Here you can set up your shipping rates, fulfillment services, and more. It's vital to consider how you'll be delivering your products to your customers, and make sure this information is clear and transparent to avoid any confusion or dissatisfaction. Last but certainly not least, let's set up your domain. A custom domain adds professionalism and credibility to your store, making it more appealing to customers. To set up a domain, go back to Settings and select Domains. You have the option to purchase a new domain through Shopify or connect an existing one if you already have it. Follow the instructions provided to complete the setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for your Shopify store. Remember, this is just the beginning. The success of your online store depends on continuous effort, learning, and adapting to your customers' needs. Explore Shopify's features, experiment with marketing strategies, and engage with your customers to grow your business. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to build a Shopify website in 5 minutes. With these foundational steps completed, you're well on your way to launching a successful online store. Happy selling!